Okay, good afternoon everyone. Yes. So, continuation po ito ng kagabi natin live, professional education. So, hindi natin natapos kagabi. So, we will continue today. So, 115. Item 115. Yes, letter D yung sagot ni Soshi. Pero hindi siya sure. Pagahuda lang sila. Naman agad yun. Thank you, Cram, for following. I'm audible ba? Paki-comment nga kung audible ako. Thank you, Sushi. Alright, so paki-share ng live everyone. And paki-follow sa mga di pa naka-follow. So after this, 150, magsiswitch tayo sa general education. Yes, letter A. So tingnan natin kung ano yung correct answer from this item. 115. Principal E tells her teacher the training in the humanities is most important. So the keyword is humanities. To which educational philosophy does he adhere? A. Existential, B. Perennial, C. Progressivist, and letter D. Essential. So, but questionable pa yung sagot ni Sir A. By the way, sa gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, you can direct message me. Reviewer for General, Prof Ed, Majorship, Pre-Board, Mock Board, and Final Coaching. So, you can message me directly here sa TikTok. Alright, so I know na ang sagot ng iba is letter A, yung iba is letter D. So, to be honest, disregard nyo na po yung letter D. Hindi po applicable yung letter D. Yung essentialist. So, hindi na po applicable yung letter D. Let me check. Mga classmate mo to, Kamaw. Wala ka to classmate? Wala ka to classmate sa Egbon? Teka. So, disregard nyo po yung letter D. Hindi na po applicable yung essentialist kasi yung essentialist, the basic R po yung hint ng essentialist. The read, write, arithmetic, and the right conduct, the 4 R's. So, yan po yung keyword ng essentialist. So, disregard nyo po yung essentialist. Okay, the correct answer from this, you are correct. Letter A, essentialist. Existentialist, sorry. Existence. Kasi humanities di ba? So, for those na hindi pa naka-follow, kindly follow and like this live and paki-share po para updated na yung ibang nating mga follower na nagla-live tayo today. Yes po. Yes, Suzy, mali po yung sagot mo. But don't worry, bawi sa next item. Here. Yes, good afternoon din po, Sir Jenny, Ma'am Jenny. So, 116. So, pakibasa nyo na lang everyone. So, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, General Education, Prof Ed. Okay. No worries. General Education, Prof Ed, Majorship, Pre-board, Macboard. You can message me everyone if you want to avail. Thank you, Donna, for following. And kindly share na rin para updated yung iba. So, sorry kung umaalog, wala tayong tripod or phone holder. So, mano-mano po natin hinahawakan yung phone. Del Rosario is judging the accuracy of this statement. Which statement will he consider as correct? Test is a tool to measure a trait. Thank you, Ping, for following. 2. Measurement is the process of qualifying the given trait. 3. Assessment is a gathering quantitative and qualitative. Number 4. Evaluation is analysis of quantitative and qualitative data. What is your correct answer? Kindly share po ng live para aware yung iba. Paki-share po ng iba. I mean ng live. But may letter E. Wala namang option na letter E. Alright, the correct answer from this item is, yes, letter D. Thank you, Mian, for following. Sino ba yung correct dito? Thank you, Givian, for sharing this live. Sino yung correct? Sino yung correct from this item? Oh, congrats. So, sa mga gustong mag-avail ng reviewer, direct message me now. Meron kayong ma-benefits. General Education, Majorship, Prof Ed, Pre-board, Macboard, Final Coaching, and let drills, mga keywords para sa mas madaling ma-remember. Meron din mga keywords lang na reviewer. Okay, next natin. Please do share everyone and follow. Thank you.
Hindi ma-save ang naubra nga slideshow sa Canva.
Nagamit ka guro sing saan daw may crown.
Wala nang
Screenshot mo eh.
ha?
Screenshot.
Screenshot.
Naka
Hindi na karon slideshow.
Ngayon hindi ma-save. I-share, i-download eh. Gaano siya?
Hindi niligaligtan.
Hindi ka guro ka ba mag-save. Thank you, this real, for following. I see a lot of letter D. Let's see if letter D yung tamang sagot from this item. Assessment should be based on the clear and appropriate learning target or objective. So let's see if that answer is correct. Do share, everyone. And please follow. I see a lot of letter D. But letter G yung sagot ni Rudy. Ewan ko kung saan siya saan niya kinuha yung letter G. Please do share, everyone, para updated na yung iba na nagla-live na tayo today. So kasi until 7 PM na lang tayo. Alright, the correct answer is, you are correct, letter A. Yes, you are correct, letter A. Please do share muna, guys, before we continue. And paki-follow na din. And after this, we will switch into the general education. Yes, thank you, Marisa, for following. So, yung mga question dito, guys, is actual board questionnaire po ito. So, you can screenshot this, or if you want to get the soft copy, you can directly message me here on TikTok. Alright, 118. Miss Del Rosario rated her student in terms of appropriate. Thank you, LA, for following. Appropriate and effective use of some laboratory equipment and measurement tools in the student's ability to follow the specified procedure. What mode of assessment should Miss Del Rosario use? Portfolio, journal, traditional performance base. Asla po, kahit out of topic po, pwede pa help po sa equation sa swine, poultry. So, anong ano po yan? Math po ba yan? I'm not familiar din po eh. Please do share and follow, guys. So, you can check that one po sa math majorship, sa mga reviewer namin sa math major. Professional education po tayo ngayon eh. Maybe later sa general baka lumabas yan. After this, 150 item lang ito. Kasi continuation lang naman po ito eh. Kasi kagabi pa ito sana matapos kaso na lowbat. So, pinutol namin kagabi. So, let's continue today. Yeah. Please do share and follow. Just message me lang, Ma'am LJ. As in, marami kayong ma-benefits sa mga reviewer kasi yun yung mga ginamit ng mga pumasa last September. You can automatically download the reviewer and also you're ready to print out. So, ano na ba yung mga answer? Hindi ko na nakita. Letter D, yung nakikita kong mga answer. Alright, the correct answer is, yes, letter D, performance po. Kasi kasi yung laboratory, di ba? Laboratory equipment. Umaalog, guys, kasi lang, kamay lang yung ginagamit ko. Wala akong phone holder. No po. Affordable siya. 119. Miss Gonzalez aims to measure the product of learning. A product of learning rather. Which of these objectives will she most likely set for her instruction? A. Show positive attitude towards learning common noun. B. Identify common noun in reading selection. Letter C. Construct paragraph using common noun. Letter D. Use a common noun in sentence. What will be your correct answer? Please do share, guys. And yeah, please do share para marami po tayo dito today. And please follow me po. And baka may mga rows kayo dyan, you can send it for me. You are highly appreciated if you can send the rows. Letter C. Alright, the correct answer is yes. Letter C. Construct a paragraph using common nouns. So, maraming nagkamali from this item, 119. Thank you, Ray, for following. Bawi tayo sa mga nagkamali from this item. You can bawi kayo sa 120 item. Hopefully, nasa next encounter nyo from this question, hindi na kayo magkamali. So, only one lang ata yung nakatama from this item. $120. The grade 6 pupils were given a diagnostic test in addition and subtraction of whole numbers to find out what they proceed to the next unit. However, letter B yung nakita kong answer. Yes po. So, I see a lot of letter C. Hoping na hindi na kayo magkamali from this item, everyone. Thank you, Jasmine, for following. Please do share, everyone. So, meron pa ba nga habol ng kanyang answer? So, most of the answer that I see in the comment section is letter C, which is count the frequency of error to find out lesson that the majority of students need to relearn. Are you sure for that answer? Alright, the correct answer is yes, you are all correct. Letter C. Sino ba yung correct? Comment. Just comment ko sino yung correct dito. Just comment ko sino yung correct. Si Miss Yu. Congratulations. Si Miss Jaja. Miss Jasmine, thank you so much for participating from this live. Please do share nyo guys para madami tayo dito. Alright, next item. So, ganito po yung mga type ng questions sa Prof. Ed. Dapat huwag tama rin magbasa. The school principal has 3 teacher applicants, all of whom graduated from the same institution and are licensed teachers. She only needs to hire one. What should she do to choose the best teacher from the 3? 1. Give them a placement test. 2. Interview them on why they want to apply in the school. 3. Let them demonstrate how to teach particular lesson. Number 4. Study their portfolio to examine the qualities of the student output when they were in college. Aha, 2 and 3. Comment your answer, everyone. What is your answer? Letter B. Alright, the correct answer from this item is yes, letter D po. Sige, i-check ko na lang po after this live. Thank you. Sorry, Elma, hindi ko na-check kasi nagla-live na tayo ngayon. So, sorry po. But no worries, I'll check that later after this. Or you can add me po sa Facebook para ma-add ka po namin sa GC. Eric Articulo po. So, search sa Facebook para mag-pop up ka po sa messenger ko. Kasi i-add ka po namin sa GC namin. Eric Articulo po. Ita-type ko dito. Wait, ita-type ko. Ita-type ko po. Thank you, Angelica, for sharing. Kindly follow po. Alright, next natin, 122. Thank you, Angelica, for following. Please do share, everyone. What is your answer from this question? Who among the teachers below give the most authentic assessment task where the objective solve word problem involving the 4 basic operation? Okay, so take time to read the option and select the best answer. Yes, thank you for contacting me. So, bear with me po. Sa gustong mag-avail ng mga reviewer, same with Ma'am Elma na nag-avail siya. So, message me here sa TikTok. And i-check ko po mamaya yung mga message nyo. Kasi after this live. Alright, nakita ko na po yung friend request mo, Ma'am Elma. So, please bear with me. So, i-replyan kita after this live. Thank you for availing our reviewer. So, sa gusto mag-avail, General Education, Prof Ed, all major. So, kung ano yung major mo, just message me. Pre-board, mock-board, drills, final coaching. You can avail that one for the affordable price. So, and also, i-add ka po namin sa group chat ng mga magti-take this March. And hopefully, lahat ng member doon ay papasa. Alright, so what is your answer? Comment na, kasi i-reveal na natin. Again, Miss Elma, nakita ko na po yung yung friend request mo. Please bear with me lang po. Alright, magto-2K na tayo. Alright, the correct answer is yes, letter D, you are correct. Miss Alejandro asked her pupils to construct any word problem that involves the 4 fundamental operations, then form them by 2 so that each pair exchange problem and help solve each other problem. Yeah. Ito. Based on the figure, which is true about the distribution? So, kung gusto niyo po mag-avail ng mga actual question na lumabas last September at November, we have a file. So, naka-file siya. So, isi-send namin this February. So, if you want to avail, join na sa aming group chat. Thank you, Teacher Next, for following me. Please do share, everyone. What is your answer? Wala pang may nag-answer. But question mark, Ma'am Rosalinda. Sa board exam, dapat hindi ka nag-aalinlangan sa answer. Yes po. Yes po, Edward. Just message me if you want to avail those reviewers. Sa board exam, dapat hindi ka nagtatanong sa iyong answer. Thank you, Darlene, for following. And please do share para marami tayo dito. I'm audible ba or mahina yung boses ko? Naririnig niyo pa ako? Message me here po sa TikTok, Miss Rodes. Ma'am Rodessa, you can message me here sa TikTok. I-send ko po yung details sa'yo after this live. So, affordable siya po, pang LPT friendly price. Marami nang nag-avail and lahat nag-avail po is na-add ko na sa GC. So, yung iba is na-download na nila yung mga reviewer. Everyone, audible ba ako?
Dahil, sinubyan ni sa dayat tayo. Sinubyan mo, be. Na? Sinagay, be?
I'm audible ba?
Ang bayo, sinululay niya. Sinubyan ako, no? Dalhin mo.
Walang may nag-answer from this. So wala po kayong answer from this item 123. Alright, so skip lang natin. So but the correct answer is letter C. So kindly screenshot nyo po ito kasi baka lumabas siya ulit. Paki-screenshot.
Dahil lubat na ko.
Alright,
10% na lang
next.
ko.
If quartile division is 2 median, what is the mean?
Papa sa kekes. Lubat na ko yun guys.
So until 7 lang tayo guys kasi meron akong important na lakad mamaya. So until 7 PM lang tayo kaya now please share this live para updated na yung iba. Thank you Ira May for following.
Lubat na ko.
Please do share din po para updated yung iba. Sure po. Message me here Mama Mary Chris, message me here po sa TikTok. And re-replyan kita after this live. Or you can add me po sa Facebook directly. May letter A, may letter B, may letter A. Yes. Hoping na makapasa ka po this March. Ayoko sa mga answer na mayroong question mark. Please answer the best answer. Choose the best answer. Alright, the correct answer from this item is yes, you are correct. Letter A po, standard deviation po yung tamang sagot. Yes, Charis, you are so easy. How about this? Q1 is 25, the percentile as median. Median ha, hindi media. Median yan is to what percentile? I see a lot of letter C. So, tingnan natin kung letter C nga ba yung answer. Again, for those na gusto mag-avail ng mga reviewer, general education, professional education, majorship, pre-board, mock-board, final coaching, drills, mga notes, para mas mabilis maalala, you can avail that one by messaging me here sa TikTok. Very affordable siya. And also, sa gustong mag-avail ng mga actual na board exam question na lumabas last September at November, so isa-send namin sa group chat. Yes, Anna, thank you for following. Alright, so I see a lot of letter C. So, reveal na natin yung answer. Yes, you are all correct. 50 yung sagot. Yes naman, ako po, Filipino major din po ako. Yes po, hindi meron na po kaming GC, i-add ka na lang po. If mag-avail ka po sa mga reviewer, automatic po na i-add ka talaga namin sa group chat. Yes, yung mga member doon is magti-take din this March. Hopefully, in praying na lahat kayo doon is makakapasa. Alright, okay, next natin. 126. Yes po, message me lang po para makita ko mamaya. In a positive skew distribution, the following statement is true except median is higher than mode, mean is higher than media, mean is lower than mode, mean is not lower than mode. I see a lot of letter C then. First take mo po ba ngayon, Ma Mary Chris? Okay. No worries lang po. It's okay lang. Most especially na new curriculum ngayon yung tina-target ng ano. Yes, mahirap talaga yung major natin, to be honest. Filipino po at TLE yung pinakamahirap na ipasa sa board exam. According yan sa survey ng PRC. Yes, usual letter C again, mean is lower than. So sorry kung umaalog, wala kasi akong phone holder, kamay lang yung gamit ko sa paghahawak ng phone. Sorry guys. Yes, hirap talaga ang Filipino major sa true lang. So wala nang hahabol ng answer from this item. Please do share. And kung meron kayong mga rows or whale, ito parang same nito kasi hindi ko pa na-reach to. Kahit isa lang. Ito, ipipin ko siya. Yes po. Dalawa po yan, Filipino at TLE. Kasi yung TLE, malawak din po yung scope ng TLE. Pero may reviewer din kami for TLE. Oo nga po, kasi mamaya po meron akong may appointment ako mamaya, may lakad ako mamaya, kaya mas inagahan ko ngayon, Ma'am Jo. Kasi baka mamaya hindi na ako makapag-live. Alright, the correct answer, yes, is correct. Letter C. So the reason po kung bakit maaga tayo ngayon nag-live, kasi meron akong lakad mamaya. So baka hindi ako makashare ng learning sa inyo. Yeah. Nandun ka na po ba, Sir Araw, sa ating GC? Ano po merge? Sorry. Ano po, Ma'am Jo? Hindi ko po maintindihan. Mag-end, nag-start po ako kanina 4. So mag-end tayo 7. Mag-end live tayo ngayon after 7. Or matapos natin yung Prof Ed. So continuation po ito after this. Let's continue sa general education mamaya. So magbalik ka na lang wifi. Hindi lang. Okay. Isesend ko po. Bear with me, Sir Araw, kasi andito ako sa province namin. Wala ako sa city. So medyo wala ditong kuryente. So solar system lang po yung gamit dito. So need ko muna mag-charge ng buong araw para ma-full ang laptop, yung mga gadget to use for live. So sorry po. Yeah, isesend ko po lahat, no worries. Okay, next question tayo. Next person showed the ability to understand and appreciate. Sure po, thank you, Araw. The similarities and differences in customs, values, and belief in one's culture. He or she is said to be possess. Hindi ka man kita ano? Possess. Social. So may hint tayo sa question, everyone. Shh, halit. Shh. Sino ina? Si Jack? So si Jack gali. So meron tayong clue. Hoping na na-notice nyo yung clue natin sa questionnaire. Biskot. Tanda. So, medyo maingay guys. Sorry. Andito tayo ngayon sa province. So, maraming mga huni ng ipon. Ay, baw! Oo ah. Thank you, Tintin, for following me. Please do share, everyone. So, continuation po ito ng nilive namin kagabi. Yung shinare kong question kagabi. So, hindi natapos namin kagabi. So, continue natin today. 150 lang po ito. And after this, switch tayo sa general education. Yes, kung want mo po, meron kaming group chat. You can avail po a reviewer for general education, prof ed, majorship, pre-board, mock board, final coaching. You can avail that one po. You will download and print kung wala ka pong mga reviewer pa. And also, plus, i-add ka po namin sa group chat namin kasi doon ko isi-send yung files this February ng mga question na lumabas this September at November 2025. Alright, the correct answer from this question is letter C. Correct po si Patrick Gaming. Possess multicultural literacy. Sino ba yung naligwak at sino yung naka-correct? Don't be shy. Huh? But letter D? No worries, okay lang. Bet ko nga yan yung mga naliligwak. Bet ko yan kasi mas doon kayo natututo. Ang ano? Okay, next item. By way of language medium, which is the best student diverse cultural background? Okay, so isa-send ko po ngayon dito. Ayun, Gcash, wait. You can send the ano lang po, ang yung resibo. So what is your answer from this? Eto na ho, may hint na kayo ho, diverse. Pag sinabi nating diverse, ano ba yan? Ibig sabihin ng diverse. Alright, the correct answer is national language. But national language, let me try to recheck. Hold on. 128. Yes. Dito pala ako nagkamali, guys. Noong nag-review kami, dito ako nagkamali sa question na to. Yung sagot ko din noon, multilingual teaching. Medium sa po mo. Yung tinutukoy dito is the medium, which means siya po yung pinaka ginagamit ng lahat. Makisa ko ba anay kay Pi, be? Bam. Ipos. Hindi da. Manok ka mo, malakat ka mo. Hindi ka makad to.
Bye-bye.
Abo, mabay-bye. Bye-bye. Yes po, medium, meaning to say, medium of instruction. Kumbaga kung sa teaching, what is the medium of instruction, like that. So, here in the question, the language medium, meaning to say, siya yung ginagamit ng nakararami. Siyempre, national language kasi yan talaga yung national na yung buong bansa na talaga or buong mundo na talaga yung gumagamit niyan. Kaya national language from this item number 128. Alright, next. Please do follow. And again, sa gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, message me directly. Isasend ko po yung details. 129, students use technology tools to set goals, plan activities, monitor progress, and the evaluation result rather than simply completing assignment without reflection. Goal-directed, constructive adoption entry. Ayoko po ng question mark. Please follow po, please. Pwede po humingi ng ganito. Kasi kagabi ko pa ito na hindi nare-reach. Baka meron kayo nito guys, ipipin ko. Ayan guys, sino ba meron ng ganyan? Please, pahingi naman. Sino ba meron yan? Kasi yan lang yung need ko. Kagabi ko pa yan hinihingi. Wala pa rin bumibigay ng ganyan. Baka po meron kayo yan. Pahingi naman. Wow, thank you so much, Marky. Congratulations. Bongga. A big congratulations to Sir Marky. Top 6 March 2025. Bongga. Share mo na po yung live ko para marami tayong matulungan dito. Alright, the correct answer is yes, letter A, goal-directed po yung answer natin from this item number 129. Next one. The teacher encouraged the innovative use of technology tools. Letter B. So medyo naglalag po yung ano ko ha. Signal ko, medyo mahina yung signal ko everyone. So rinig pa po ba ako ngayon? Kasi medyo nahina yung signal ko eh. I'm audible ba? I'm still audible. Thank you. Kala ko nawala na ako. Again, baka meron kayo nito. Pahingi naman everyone. Yung whale diving na ano, na gift. Sorry, Araw. Ano ba yung name mo, Araw, sa GC natin? Hindi talaga kita mahanap sa GC. Ano ba yung full name mo? Iba-iba kasi yung pangalan mo eh. Alright, the correct answer is yes, please do share, do follow from my this live para marami tayong maambunan ng blessing. Yes, the correct answer yes is A, active. Tama ba kayo? Ay, mga naligwak, maraming naligwak dito. 130. Let double check my answer key. Hold on. 130. Hindi ako papayag na lahat kayo naligwak. Letter A talaga ang correct. Yes po, letter A po yung sagot. Hindi po siya adaptive. Teacher encourage daw to innovate use of technology. So, ina-encourage yung ng teacher to use the technology. Active po yung tamang sagot. Next, 131. Students are actively engaged in using technology as a tool rather than passively receiving information from technology. Drop your answer, everyone. Again, sa gusto mag-avail ng reviewer namin, Gen Ed, Prof Ed, and many more, you can avail that one by messaging me here on TikTok. Message me lang, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Elise. What is your answer, everyone? Drop your answer. Alright, the correct answer is yes. Active pa rin yung sagot. Please do share, everyone, and follow sa mga di pa naka-follow para ma-avail kayo ng mga reviewer. Gusto nyo mag-avail, just message me and follow me para updated kayo kung nagla-live tayo. So, nagla-live tayo every day for you guys. Sabay-sabay kayong papas sa lahat this March. Hoping na mas mataas yung rating for this LET. No? Kasi kami yung pinakamataas na LET rating sa LET history. Kung nakita nyo yung news ng PRC na yung last 2025 kami yung pinakamataas na rating. Next, 132. Technology tools are used to facilitate higher order learning activities that may not have been possible without the use of technology. What is your answer? Are you sure, letter A? Thank you, Baby Ko, for following. So, marami akong nakitang mga mali yung answer. Please understand the question. Hi, Joshua. Please follow me. Nag-switch ng answer si Sir Araw. So ano daw yung ginawa nila sa technology? Ito ba ay naging adaptive? Ito ba ay naging adoption? Ito ba ay naging active? Ito ba ay naging transform? Wala ka dyan, Araw. So, kaunti pa lang yung nakikita kong correct answer. Ano kaya yung the best answer from this? Sorry guys, wala akong phone holder, kaya umaalog. Siguro bawi na lang kayo sa next. Technology tools are used to facilitate the higher order learning activities that may not have been possible without the use of technology. Inadapt siya, are you sure? The correct answer is yes, maraming mga ligwak from this item. Transformation po yung tamang sagot. Meaning to say, yung technology po natin, transform po siya into as facilitator. I know that teacher is one of the facilitator in the classroom, but also be aware then in some context that technology po nagiging facilitate din po siya, nagiging facilitator din po siya sa atin as teacher. Kasi mas napapadali na po yung ating pagtuturo. Like for example, those projector, di ba? Dobaga yung mga tools, technology tools is na ano natin, tina-transform na natin inside the classroom. Not only for the a source of information, not only for the source of learning, but also we transform technology into facilitator to help us as a teacher. The teacher facilitates students independently using technology tools. But merong tatlong check. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng tatlong check na yan? Entry, fusion, adaptation, adoption. Teacher facilitates student independently. Dobaga, tayong mga guro, tinutulungan lang natin yung student independently. So, hindi natin sila, tawag nito, hina-hands-on talaga, gina-guide baga in, what do you call this one? Yung parang, step by step ba? Hindi natin ginaganyan yung students. So, hinahayaan lang natin sila independently to use technology tools. Alam nyo guys, marami kayo ditong nagkakamali. Ikakabagsak nyo talaga to. Bahala kayo dyan. Huwag po kayo mag-base sa kung ano yung ano nyo. Is that entry? Are you sure? Ano po yung pinagkaiba ng adaptation sa adoption? Okay, Rush, natin yan, explain natin yan. So please answer that first. So wait natin yung iba. Drop your answer, everyone. So, meron na bang answer yung iba? What is your answer, everyone?
Makakaumapin mo lang. May mo lang malalim. Alam ko kasi na, nagiging ko ko na mo.
Okay, so the correct answer is yes, adaptation po yung answer natin. So the difference po between adoption, yung adoption na letter D po, yun yung pinaka first level lang po on how to use the technology. Like for example po, here, ang yung cellphone natin, 'di ba the most the first entry na pwede natin magamit sa cellphone is to communicate, right? To communicate, to call, to connect to others. But kung i-switch natin siya into adaptation, meaning to say, mas pina-level up na po ito. Meaning to say, hindi natin na alam na ang cellphone is magagamit talaga natin like for researching, for education, for businesses like online selling. Dobaga, mas pinalalim na yung level ng technology sa adaptation. Kung sa adoption po, very entry lang siya, nasa level 1 lang po yung yung paggamit natin ng technology. But in adaptation, mas pina-broad siya. Yeah. Nagigets ba yung difference nilang dalawa? O, ito sa Republic Act. Alam ko na ang lahat dito ay gustong-gusto ito. Shh! Gahod! Alam ko na ang iba nito ay pangarap ito, di ba? As a Republic Act 7836, the license exam for teacher is with the Diyos ko! So, kung meron pa dito magkakamali, wag na kayo mag-board exam. Is it CHED, PRC, DepEd, or CSC? So, kung may mali pa dito, wag na kayo mag-board exam. Please lang. Masasayang yung nyo, registration fee. So, please share this live muna and follow. Sa gusto mag-avail ng mga reviewer, Prof. Ed, Gen Ed, Pre-Board, Macboard, Major Ship to all major, drills, notes, message me here on TikTok. Diyos ko. May nakita akong ibang answer. Bahala kayo dyan. Wag na kayo mag-board exam. Ewan ko po kung letter B yan. Kasi iba naman, dapat alam nyo na ito. Lakat. Hindi ka mo.
Ginawad ka mo, si Tita Nere ko,
Hindi, sige lang, di ba nabation? Good. Yes, PRC. Are you sure? Alright, the correct answer is yes, PRC. Sorry sa mga nagkamali dito, dapat alam nyo na ito. PRC po yung sagot. Bation ang gahod. Isang mga kids. Kon mo lang na na. Damo ganilag sanay. Please do share, guys, and follow. Share nyo po muna. Mugi na iya. Yes. Mga kids. Alright, next value clarification as a strategy of values education classes is anchored on which philosophy? Guys ha, values ha. Yes po, Ilonggo. Existential, Christian, philosophy, idealism, Hinduism. Letter A, sorry. Letter A, Christian philosophy. Letter B. May nakita akong ibang answer. Letter B. Ginano sila, ha? Ginilagsan na eh.
Sana eh. Hindi ako diba gagaling ang Mr. Iyan yung comprehension. Kulang yung comprehension.
It talks about the values, guys. Thank you, Romy, for following everyone.
Pa mo na karon, pugaon ko na. Sila eh. Mga kabataan,
Pangsulod bala sa sako. Alright, the correct answer is idealism po, letter C. Uy. Idealism po yung sagot natin dyan. Let me try to check my answer key. 135. Yes, letter C, ideal po. Not existentialism. Correct ka po, Miss Fluffy. Fluffy Mallow. Ikaw lang po yung nakatama from this item.
Ang ko yan.
Next natin, 136. Medyo bilisan natin para maka-switch tayo sa general education.
Ikaw pag ganyan bata ka, magalit ka pa ha?
Eto tao, his aim of education is individual, not a preparation for but participation in the life around an individual. Froebel, Spencer, Herbert, Pestalozzi. Pestalozzi? Yeah. What is your answer? Froebel, letter A. May letter A, may letter B, may letter D. Sino lang ba yung familiar na tao? Letter B, si Spencer. Sino pa? I see a lot of letter B. Are you sure? Letter B, Spencer. Education daw is individual, not preparation for but participation in the life around the individual. Wala dyan si Dewey. Pagpahingahin nyo man si Dewey. Spencer. Sino lang ba yung familiar dyan? Alright, the correct answer is, I know na magkaiba-iba yung sagot nyo, but the correct answer is letter A. Si Froebel po yung tamang sagot. May nakita ko ditong kaninang letter A, si Shining. Pero si Shining parang daw siya. Yes, si Froebel po yung tamang sagot. Next. Which of these non-teaching means assessing learning outcomes? Portfolio, self-evaluation, peer evaluation, learning journal. What is your answer, everyone? Doon. Pabalayan mo man. Drop your answer, everyone. Sino ka video okay? Ando na Gisa kaya. Please do and follow and share this live in the heart. Yep, thank you. What is your answer from this item? Number 137. So, letter C, yung nakikita ko, which is portfolio, self-evaluation, and learning journal. So, hindi kasama yung peer evaluation. Alright, the correct answer is, let's see. No, letter A lang po yung sagot. Portfolio lang po at saka self-evaluation. Lahat ay naligwak from this item. 137. 150.
Tapos na nila.
Gen Ed pa. Gen Ed pa kami. Pa-screenshot nyo nga ito, ang item na to, kasi marami naligwak. Alright, next, 138. Ito, mabilis lang. Teacher E does not wait for the end of the term to find out how much the student learned. So, ano ito? Formative, authentic, summative, norm reference. So, si Teacher Ikuno, hindi niya na hinintay yung end of the term para malaman kung ang kanyang, gaano kalawak na yung natutunan ng kanyang mga mag-aaral. So, meaning to say, hindi na po niya hinintay yung end of the semester or the end of the quarter para malaman kung ang lahat ng student niya ay natuto sa kanyang lesson. So, alin dito yung ginamit niya? Formative, authentic, summative, or norm. Remove the letter B, authentic. Huwag nyo na isagot yung authentic. Between formative, summative, at saka norm. Yeah, so I see a lot of letter A. It's formative. Yes, the correct answer is formative. Why formative? Kasi yung formative, ito yung test na ginagamit natin na after the lesson, hindi siya at the end of the semester or end of the quarterly. Like for example, nag-discuss si teacher ng part of the plants ngayong araw. Then after niyan mag-discuss, nagbigay siya agad ng test like 1 to 10, true or false, or 1 to 10 identification. So, ang tawag dyan is formative. Kaya, ang sagot dyan sa 138 is formative evaluation. Yes, during and after. Yes po, kanina pa po, 4. Kasi hindi ako nasabi sa inyo kagabi na magre-reschedule tayo today kasi meron tayong pupuntahan mamaya. Yes, kanina pa nag-start. 4 p.m. po ako nag-start. So, ngayon how many hours na? 1 hour na tayo. But, after this, may general education pa tayo. So, hahabol ka pa, meow. Sir Meow, makakahabol ka pa. May general education pa tayo. Hanggang 7 p.m. pa tayo today. Please do follow na guys and share this live. Alright, next. Principal C wants her teacher to be constructivist in their teaching orientation. Which does she want her teachers to do? Make their student derive meaning from what is presented, give the meaning of what they presented, let their students construct meaningful sentence based on the lesson, require students to come up with a construct the lesson. Okay. Active si Meow. Active si Sir Meow. Letter C ang kanyang sagot. Yeah, I see a lot of letter C. Please share and like this live, everyone. And follow sa mga hindi pa naka-follow. Yes, thank you Jelly for following. And kindly share this live para ma-update yung iba. Everyone, share this live and follow. Okay, baka may whale kayo dyan. Again. So, pahingi ng whale. Kita ba sa screen yung nakapin na whale? So, baka meron kayong whale dyan. Yes, baka meron kayo nyan. Pahingi ng isa. I need one whale. Yeah, thank you for the like. So what is your answer, everyone? So letter C yung nakikita ko. Alright, which is let the student construct meaningful sentences based on the lesson. Shh. The correct answer is letter A po. Make the student derive meaning from what is presented. My God, naligwak ang lahat. But let me double check. 139. Yeah, letter A talaga. So, yung answer ko din dati, letter C. Letter C din po yung answer ko noon. But, digwak tayo sa letter C. Letter A po yung tamang sagot. Kindly screenshot this item. Baka lumabas siya ulit. Yung hint natin dito is, di ba, constructivist, kaya yung sagot natin is letter C. Kasi may word siya na construct. Meaning to say, the letter C is truly distracted na option. So, isa siyang distracted na option. Next one, 140. If the school guidance program is highly academic-oriented, the blank principle is not properly observed. Holistic, confidentiality of information, independence in decision-making, adherence to professional standard. Drop your answer, everyone, and follow sa mga hindi pa naka-follow. Manisko ka. Manisko. Lakatanay man niya punta to. Alright. So, drop your answer, everyone, and keep following me. Yeah, letter A yung mga sagot. Tapos charge. Thank you, Vinny, for following. So, kindly drop your answer and keep following me and sharing. Again, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, majorship, general education, professional education, pre-board, mock board, final coaching, let drills, at saka mga notes, keynotes, sa mga mabilis mag-review, you can avail that one po by messaging here sa TikTok. You can message me here sa TikTok. I'll send the details. So, the correct answer, so letter C, may nakita kong letter C, may letter D, may letter A. So, iba-iba yung sagot. Ano ba yung tinatanong? If the school guidance daw is highly academic oriented. Hold on. Bako di ako dalaw. Gabi pa niya akon ko. Ang gabi pa niya akon time. Ako di kwarta oh. Alright, the correct answer is, may naghabol pa si Becca, letter C. Yeah, the correct answer is letter A. Si Smiling Fia ang correct. Holistic development po. Sino pa yung nag-correct? Si Benny, correct din. Si Rosalinda, correct din. Si Alex, si Shining. Madami din pala yung naka-correct. Yes, holistic po yung tamang sagot dito, 140. Thank you, Sarah, for following. Kindly share this live para updated yung iba. Next item, 141. The DepEd education authorized contribution in a school but not during enrollment, which is not authorized contribution. Boy Scout of the Philippines membership fee, Philippine National Red Cross fee, school organization fee, Girl Scout of the Philippine member. Thank you, Del, for following. School organization fee. Let's see if... Thank you, Joshua, for following. I see a lot of letter C. Anong letter C? School organization fee. So, ano yung question? The Department of Education authorized contribution in school but not during enrollment. Okay. May letter B akong nakita. Si Sir Seleni. Si Ma'am Seleni. Andito pa bala si Sir Araw. Akala ko umalis na si Sir Araw. Thank you, Ma'am Rosalinda, for like. Please do share, guys, ng live natin para updated yung iba. Let's see if the correct answer is letter C, the school organization fee. Yes, the correct answer is, you are all correct. School organization fee. Just like the SSG, SSLG, ano pa yung mga organization, yes, Samafil. So, di ba hindi talaga yan sinasabi during the enrollment, di ba? Kaya yung tamang sagot dyan is school organization fee. 142. Ano ka, Sel? Naglakatos ka? Alright, 142. Once a teacher, forever a student. Di ba na the favorite quote of all teacher? Once a teacher, forever a student. What does this statement imply about quality personal and professional development for teachers? The teacher is able to teach their student. The teacher learns from their student. It is continuing. Letter D, personal and professional development calls for teacher exposure to student. This is the best quote ever. Once a teacher, forever a student. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng quote na yan? It is continuing. Are you sure? Letter C. Oh, double yung sagot ni Sir Meow. C or D daw. Nag-stick na siya sa letter D. Are you sure? Thank you, Ma'am Ann, for following. Si Charlie, letter D din. Si Yuri, letter D din. Hala. So, ipupusta nyo ba yung inyong lisensya from this question? 142. Thank you, Charlie, for following. Oho. I see a lot of letter D. Ayun na. Nag-explain na si Sir Paul. C, synonym of lifelong learning. Let's see kung talagang letter C yung tamang sagot. But X. Wala dito yung X mo, Sir Juwawi. Alright. Yes, the correct answer is yes, it's continuing po talaga. Yes. Once a teacher is forever a student. Kasi si teacher is nagko-continue talaga yan sa pag-learn. Hindi po nagtatapos yung learning ng isang teacher. Kaya magiging forever siya na student. Meow. Naligwa ka for this item. Please remember this. So, minsan po, yung it's continuing sa ibang choices sa Prof Ed is a lifelong learning or is a lifelong learners yung iba. Hoy, kung di ako warata nga dala. Hindi, ano ko problema. Hydrogen. Next one, move on tayo. Oh, sorry. Lumabas na yung answer. Okay, screenshot nyo na lang everyone. What is the legal basis of governance in basic education? It's 9155. So, nasobrahan po yung pag-click. Lumabas yung answer. Yes. Remember this. So, we only have 7 questions before we end from professional education. Yes, letter C po siya. Alright, 144. The strongest disadvantage of the alternate response type of a test. Demand for critical, absence of analysis, encouragement of rote memory, high possibility of guessing. Marami pong lumabas na rasa timing, sir. Yes po, ito nga yung Prof Ed na yung iba dito is lumabas. Yes, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng reviewer namin from Majorship, General Education, Professional Education, Pre-board exam, ano pa, mock board exam, final coaching drills, let drills, keywords, let tips. You can avail that one by messaging me here on TikTok. And i-add po ko namin kayo sa aming group chat. Yung mga members sa group chat po is yung mga magti-take this March. Yes po. Letter C. The encouragement of the root memory. Are you sure with your answer, everyone? May letter B akong nakikita. Is the absence of analysis. But may letter D din si Rosalinda. Please do share, everyone. Mabilis na lang ito. Mag-ano na tayo. Magsi-switch tayo sa general. Gen Ed tayo after this. Alright, the correct answer is, yes, you are correct, Kimchi. Si Kimchi lang ang nakakorek. Letter D. Si Hubert pa. Thank you. Alright, from this item, please do follow me, guys, and share this live. Sorry guys kung umaalog siya, wala tayong phone holder. I see a lot of letter D. Yung mahaba daw yung piliin nyo. Yeah, the correct answer is letter D. Sino na correct at sino yung naligwak? Thank you, Baggy, for following. Kindly send your rose, guys. Hindi na ako nakatanggap ng rose kanina pa. Hinihintay ko talaga kung sino yung magbibigay. O di kaya ng whale. So, before natin to continue, ito po. Baka meron kayo nito. Ipapakita ko. Ipipin ko po. Yan. Sino ba meron yan? Kita nyo ba? Sino ba yung meron yan? Pahingi po. Or rose. Baka meron kayong rose. Everyone, please. Baka meron kayo niyan. Yes, pag Prof Ed, ikaw talaga yung pinakamalinis. Yes, thank you so much for the rose smiling. Yes, ikaw talaga yung pinakamalinis. Ikaw talaga yung pinakabida-bida sa Prof Ed. Huwag mo i-consider talaga yung student. Dapat very good ka talaga sa Prof Ed. Put yourself as a teacher talaga sa Prof Ed. Yes, plastik-plastikan, bida-bida, lahat na lang. Thank you for the rose. Yeah, appreciate ko yung nagbibigay ng rose. Thank you so much, everyone. So, baka may whale kayo dyan. Pahingi ng whale. And baka gusto niyo mag-avail ng mga reviewer, just direct message me here on TikTok. Thank you, Baggy, for the rose. Yeah. So, mas nagaganahan tayo kapag nagsisend ng mga gift, yung mga viewer natin, yung mga LPT Future LPT this March. Thank you so much. Alright, continue natin kasi na may nagbigay na ng rose. Teacher M gave a test in grammar. She found out that one half of the class scored very low. She planned to give another test to the pupil who scored very low to find out exactly where they are weak. What type of test is this? Placement, diagnostic, achievement, intelligence. Yes, magti 10K na tayo. Please help me to reach the 10,000. And also, giving the gift like rose or whale. Baka meron diyang whale. So, sino kaya yung makakasend sa akin ng whale? Ipipray ko po talaga yung magsisend ng whale na makakapasa this March 2026. Yay! Na-reach natin yung 10,000. So how many days na lang guys before the exam? Ilan na po yung countdown ngayon? Nasa 40 plus na lang ba? Oh my God! 50 days na lang. 49 days before LPT. Kinakabahan na yung iba. So wag kayo kabahan guys during exam, kabahan kayo during result. Yes, napakabilis. During my yung bag na ginamit ko unang-una is transparent siya. Then yung pagkain ko is bumili ako halimbawa bukas yung exam namin 5 AM ako umalis sa city pa ako noon. Nag-boarding house ako doon. 4,000 yung rent ko within the entire week. 2 weeks ata ako nagstay sa city. 4,000 yung binayad ko. And during the exam, bumili ako ng ngayong hapon and then bukas yung exam, bumili ako ng apple at saka isang Toblerone ata yun. Yes, apple at Toblerone kasi binabawal talaga guys yung pagdala ng mga pagkain na pwede makakapagpadumi ng test paper mo kasi once madumihan yung test paper mo, huwag ka na magpatuloy, umuwi ka na. And then be aware then guys, use transparent bag. So kung meron kayo niyan mabilhan, bili na kayo. And also yung mga pagkain guys, like for example biscuit, kunin nyo na po. Yes po, Toblerone, yes, dark chocolate. Yung ginawa ko, kinuha ko siya sa carton. Kasi bawal talaga may balot. So, bumili ako ng transparent na plastic. Doon ko nilagay yung Toblerone. Alam nyo guys, kano nangyari? Nagiging siya guys, nagiging tawag nito, chocolate, tawag nito, parang naging liquid siya. 'Di ba yung Toblerone is napakatigas kapag bubilhin mo sa 7-Eleven. Natunaw. Yes, natunaw yung chocolate. Kaya yung ginawa ko, nagiging cream stick na siya. Yung Toblerone, binutasan ko siya sa ilalim ng sa portion ng plastic, sa ilalim ng plastic at doon ko sinipsip yung chocolate. Pero kinain ko siya during break time kasi bawal kumain during the test, baka madumihan talaga yung test paper. Diyos mio. Alright, before we continue sa checkahan, the correct answer is yes, diagnostic. And then po, yung apple, nag-slice na po ako ng apple at saka nilagay ko siya sa Tupperware. And yun na yung kinain ko after lunch. And yung baon ko talagang kanin is hindi ko talaga siya nakain during that time kasi busog ako. And then napakabilis lang ng test ko. So, 'di ba yung time is next muna natin before I continue. The science teacher gave the test before unit was taken up. The purpose of administrating administering the test, was find to out the weaknesses and strength. O, ito na naman, weaknesses and strength. Wag na kayo magkamali. Yes, continue natin. So, di ba yung test is 1.5 hour every category. Gen Ed, 1.5. Prof Ed, 1.5. And kung may majoring ka po, 2 hours po yon. So, hindi ko pa natatapos yung 1 hour. Tapos na po ako sa Gen Ed at sa Prof Ed. So, meron akong remaining time na napakahaba. Kaya yung ginagawa ko is natutulog. But doon ako nahirapan sa majoring namin. Halos makonsume ko yung 2 hours, I think. Pero hindi naman siya naubos. Hindi po 3 hours yung Prof Ed. 1.5 lang po. 3 hours lahat sila with Gen Ed. Ha? Sino nagsabing 3 hours? Hindi po 3 hours, no. Diyos ko. 1.5 hour lang po. Baka include na yung Gen Ed sa 3 hours. Alright, the correct answer is yes. Oh my God, sorry, let me try to recheck. Yung sagot ko dito is diagnostic. But let me recheck, hold on. 147. Teacher gave a test before the unit was taking up. The purpose of the test was find out the weakness and strength of the class with regard to the unit. What type? Okay, sorry. The correct answer is letter B, diagnostic po dito. Na wrong type tayo sa highlight. Sino po nagsabi po? 2 hours, 2 hours. Major 3 hours. Take daw. Kasi during time namin last year, 1.5 lang talaga. But let me recheck. Baka 2 hours. Pero kahit gaano pa yan kahit gaano pa yan kahaba ng oras, dapat prepare ka. Mas okay na maaga mo siya matapos, na confident ka sa answer mo, kesa sa maubusan ka ng time na hindi mo talaga natapos at minadali mo siya, sinade mo na lang lahat. At yung mas nakakatakot pa, kapag mas nakakatakot pa is kapag meron kang mas-skip na item, kasi yung answer mo sa susunod na item is madadirect siya sa item na naskipan mo. So meaning to say, ligwak ka na. Alright, the next question. So dalawang question na lang for the Prof Ed, and switch tayo sa general education. John Dewey regarded education as a continuous process of experiencing and recognizing experience. Which statement explains best his ideas? Education takes place in school. Education goes to throughout life. Education continues anywhere, anytime. Education takes place formally with a teacher. Thank you for the 12,000. John Dewey, are you sure letter C? Bahala kayo dyan. John Dewey regarded please analyze the question, everyone. John Dewey regarded education as a continuous process daw of experiencing and recognizing experience. Diba? So, is it remove the letter A and remove the letter D? Select B between B and C. Wag nyo na isali ang letter A at saka yung letter B. Between B and C, doon tayo magkatustusan. Are you sure? Letter C. Bahala kayo dyan. Are you sure? Letter B. Please do share our live, and kung mga hindi pa naka-follow, just follow. And also, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, message me here on TikTok para ma-add ko kayo sa GC. Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Education goes on throughout life. My point din ang letter C, but the best is letter B. Kasi life na yun eh. Throughout the life eh. Diba? Education is continuous. It's continuous siya. But for the entire life. Thank you, Michelle. Message me po, ma'am Strawberry. Message me on TikTok here. After this, replyan ko kayo kasi 2 item na lang before we end. So, continue pa ba natin sa general or bukas na lang? Kaya pa ba ng inyong brain cells? Or bukas na lang ipagpatuloy yung general education? Ayan, sa Jelly, bukas na lang daw. Okay, Strawberry, message mo na ako, Strawberry, para mabigay ko sa iyo yung details. Ano po yung major mo, Strawberry? Thank you. So, check ko na lang po mamaya. Hold on. Alright, Mr. De Los Reyes review his student as a unique and responsible individual. He planned activities and structure his teaching in such a manner that his student can develop his uniqueness. Same pala tayo, so makakapasa ka talaga. Which theory does he uphold? Perennial, existential, realism, essentialism. Manner. It talks about manner. Alright, the correct answer is letter C. Realism. Responsible individual po. Responsible individual. And the activity struggles teaching in such a manner that the student can develop his uniqueness. It's realism. So, meron po kaming reviewer na puro siya, sa isang files, puro siya naka-note lang about philosophy of education. So, like for example, essentialism, yung kanyang keywords lang yung mababasa nyo at mabilis nyo siyang maintindihan. At pwede mo yung keyword niya is pwede mo siya mahanap within the question kasi yan yung lumalabas sa Prof Ed. Kaya imbes na basahin mo yung full meaning of the philosophy, so keyword na lang yung tatandaan mo. So you can avail that one by message me here on TikTok po. I-send ko sa inyo yung details. At meron kaming GC na kung saan yung member doon is magte-take this March. Hopefully lahat ng mga member doon is walang may iwan at lahat makakapasa. So magsisend din po kami ng file within this February, last week of the month. I-send namin yung files. Ang content ng files na yan is mga question nga na lumabas last September and November 2025. So, very restricted siya. Kaya, ipapahuli namin siya na isi-send. Kasi I know na yung iba, hindi natin maalam yung takbo ng utak ng iba, no? So, isi-send namin siya before the last of the month. Last week of the month. Kasi, di ba, March kayo magti-take. Para kahit pa paano, ma-refresh pa yung mga question sa inyo. And maybe, no, hindi natin alam, baka yung question namin last time is, maano nyo siya, ma-encounter or uulit siya this March. Kaya, 55 days na lang, 50 days na lang. Good luck everyone. For the last item, oh sorry. So, we have here na the answer of the number 50, 150. So, screenshot nyo na lang. Yes. 3 hours, wag nang palampasin ang 3 hours, it's essential. No po, essential po is 3 hours. Hindi siya manner. Sorry. Yung keyword natin sa essentialist is ano po siya? 3 hours talaga. Okay, siguro hindi na natin mako-continue kasi yung bar ko is 36% na lang guys yung ano. So, yes po. Check ko after this ng live. Hold on. Wag muna kayo mag-out sa TikTok kasi i-replyin ko kayo. So, 36% na lang yung ano natin guys. So, meaning to say, hindi na tayo makakapag-continue sa GenEd. Pero, let me try to charge muna. And then, next natin iti-take na is general education. So, meron ako dito. Hold on. Okay, thank you everyone for visiting this live. Hopefully na Hopefully na lahat kayo is makakapasa this March. And by the help of our reviewer, may encounter nyo lahat ng mga question na mababasa nyo sa mga reviewer natin. Kasi yung isang time namin, yes po, lumabas talaga yung mga actual question sa aming reviewer. Pero yung iba, hindi rin siya actual question. Pero yung thought ng question, the choices is the same. But the question ni-revise siya. So, ganyan lang din naman yung strategy ni PRC. So, kaya ano na lang, yung technique na lang dyan is yung keyword talaga. Yung keyword lang yung tatandaan nyo, wag nyo nabasahin lahat kasi mauubusan talaga kayo ng oras. Lalong-lalo na sa Prof Ed, napakahaba ng question at yung mga choices. Same with sa Filipino major, mahaba din yung mga tanungan. So, all you need to do is to be aware sa mga keyword na lang. Alright, so thank you so much for visiting this live and message me sa mga gustong mag-avail ng mga reviewer. Yes po, lahat na po, GenEd, kasama na po full package. GenEd, Prof Ed, Majorship, Pre-board, Macboard, drills, notes, and plus i-add ka sa GC. And yeah, thank you so much everyone and see you. Try ko later if may time. Pero kung hindi, bukas ulit tayo. Same time, bukas siguro, yes. Mag-update na lang siguro ako sa GC natin kung anong oras kita magla-live tomorrow. And so kung sa mga hindi nagjo-join sa GC namin, just follow me here para update kayo sa mga live natin this week. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you.